Ginger juice, amazing drink that helps you remove belly fat and boost immunity. Did you know that besides being delicious, ginger juice is excellent for losing extra fat in a short period of time? Instead of taking medicines or over-the-counter supplements which are full of chemicals, you should try this super healthy juice. It improves your natural defense of the immunity and fights infections better than any medicine. Ginger is considered as one of the healthiest herbs on the planet. It is abundant with minerals and nutritional components and can provide plenty of health benefits. In fact, this juice will improve your overall health by boosting your immunity and fighting off common conditions or diseases. This juice is completely natural, and what is more, it is very easy and simple to prepare. But, first, let's find out more about the magical powers of this juice. Health benefits of ginger juice. Prevents arthritis, relieves bone and muscle pain. Improves digestion and prevents bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation. Relieves PMS symptoms and cramps. Reduces bad cholesterol. Eliminates toxins from the body. Stops cancer cells growth. Improves sugar levels in the blood. Prevents blood clots forming. Relieves migraine and coughing. Improves blood flow and circulation. Treats hemorrhoids. Recipe. Needed ingredients: 5 cm root ginger, 1.5 liters water. Directions: you should chop the ginger root and put it in the water to boil. When it is soft, make sure to strain the mixture. That is it. Your juice is ready. It is recommended to consume this juice every day. In order to obtain the best results and faster weight loss, make sure to consume it for 6 months.